Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel Healthcare. So today I have one amazing video for you that is 15 rooftop garden design ideas and tips. Terrace garden design. Whether you have a rooftop garden already or you are planning to have one, these rooftop garden design ideas will come in handy. In densely populated urban areas of the cities, having a small rooftop or patio is such a boon. If you want to utilize the space wisely, then take help from these rooftop garden design ideas. Rooftop garden designs ideas and tips. We have some great terrace garden design ideas and essential tips that you can use for inspiration on your rooftop. Number 1. Keep it open. A small rooftop looks big if you are not going to fill it with many things. A transparent glass instead of a parapet wall, fences, a railing will be great. Number 2. Create some privacy. If you have an open terrace, then growing climbing plants for privacy would be a great idea. Clematis, climbing roses, and English ivy are some of the best options you have. You can also use a bamboo screen, drapes, or set up a wooden frame. Number 3. Grow tall plants and trees. If you have a large rooftop, you can plant tall trees and shrubs to utilize the space to the fullest. Growing bamboos and grasses is a good combination if you want to make it low maintenance. Number 4. Create raised beds. Creating raised beds adjacent to the roof wall is a good idea. You can add wooden raised beds or ones that are made from metal. If you like, you can also construct concrete raised beds and grow tall shrubs and small trees in them. Ensure use a waterproofing membrane and lay a thick barrier that can block roots and prevent damage to the roof. One more idea is to make slightly elevated raised beds from the surface. That way the roots of the plants may not be able to penetrate. Number 5. Plant carefully. When it comes to rooftop garden designs, ensure you maintain the diversity in the size of the plants. A few large plants, shrubs, small trees, ground covers, annuals must be there. Also, buy containers of different sizes as this will give a great look to your rooftop garden. Number 6. Add furniture. Decide in advance that what kind of furniture you would like to purchase. Would you like to lounge on the roof terrace or want to have dinner there? You must make a choice in the initial stage. Furniture that fits the style and theme of your roof garden would be more appropriate. Number 7. Add a focal point. Anything can be focal point that draws attention. A water feature, tall tree, A beautiful arrangement of containers, plants, or simply a statue would be a great addition to the roof of garden. Number 8. Introduce lights. It is important that your rooftop garden is well lit during the evening, especially near the stairwell or door. Moreover, lighting or a roof will make it look larger during dusk. Number 9. Always use no more than 3 colors. Always choose one color as an accent shade and one or two more hues that follow. Using several different colors for walls, floors, railings, furniture, or containers can make your rooftop look too busy and cluttered. A color combined with a neutral color works best. Neutral colors like white, gray, beige, indigo also accentuates the beauty of plants. Number 10. Utilize the vertical space. Utilize vertical space to add more appeal to your rooftop garden. Hang planters on the walls. Use railing planters and grow a lot of climbers. Number 11. Nice floor is important. Don't avoid the flooring. Choose a type that fits your budget, suits the climate you live in, and accommodates the theme of the rooftop garden. Number 12. Play with colors. Play with colors and plant type. Use cool and warm colors in balance to get a beautiful look. On a well-planned urban rooftop garden, everything is possible. Grow trees, shrubs, foliage, plants, and annual for a burst of different shades. Number 13. Rooftop seating area. A rooftop barbecue bar or a mini kitchen along with some plants would be a great place to throw mini parties. You can have a lovely weekend right at your terrace that way. Number 14. A mini pool. A mini pool on the terrace surrounded by lush green tropical plants is a dream for many. If you don't have a big terrace, then you can make a mini pool and add plants in containers. Number 15. Become a rooftop homesteader. A rooftop is a great place to grow fruits, vegetables, herbs, and salads of your choice. It's really amazing. Become a rooftop homesteader and grow your own food with ease. That food you can use into your kitchen. It's really very effective for your kitchen and for your garden too. I hope you like my video. Give me thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you.